Dear friends, in this video, I have taken a new topic to find the solution of ordinary differential equation. It is nothing but improved Euler's method, right? To get the solution of the given ordinary differential equation dy by dx equivalent to f of x comma y with the initial condition y of x naught is equivalent to y naught. Improved Euler's method is yn plus 1 is equivalent to yn plus h by 2 f of xn, guys, here you should understand the formula like that only. F of xn comma yn plus again f of xn comma yn in the place of twice of f of xn comma yn. That way you should remember this formula, then only you won't do any mistakes. So from the first one xn yn only, in the second one in the place of xn it will be xn plus h. In the place of yn plus h into f of xn yn. So twice of f of xn will be there. First one will be f of x and yn. Second place, in the place of xn plus h. In the place of yn plus h into f of x and yn. N equal to 0, 1 to 3, etc. This n equal to 0, 1 to 3 represents, if I am giving n equal to 0, we'll get y1. N equal to 1, we get y2 answer. Well, second solution y2. If I am giving n equal to 3, we'll get y4, the solution y4. In that way, that concept only they have mentioned here, n equal to 0, 1 to 3, etc. That's it. This will be the formula to solve the related problems in this improved Euler's method. Right, I have taken one example here. Dy by dx is equivalent to 1 minus y, given y of 0 equivalent to 0. X naught is 0, this is x naught, this is y naught is 0. And we have to find x equal to 0 at x equal to 0.1, at x equal to 0.2, we have to find the solution using improved Euler's method. Right, come to the solution part now. Given this is the given initial condition, x naught equal to 0, y naught equal to 0, x1 equivalent to 0.1, y1 equivalent to what? At x, this is the next value. x2 equal to 0.2, y2 is equivalent to 1. What? So try to find the value of h. Will you answer for that? Could you remember how to find h? Not only in this topic, in the previous topic onwards, we are using the same concept to find the value of h. It is nothing but difference of x. X not equal to 0, x1 is 0.1, x2 is 0.2, 0, 0.1, 0.2. So what is in the increasing order? It is difference is 0.1. This is the way to find the value of h here. Right. Now write the formula. Yn plus 1 equivalent to yn plus h by 2 twice of f of x and yn you have to write. First place x and yn only. Second place in the place of xn plus h. In the place of yn plus h into f of x and yn. That's it. Now we have to find y1 and y2. So let n equal to 0. If you want to find y1, let n equal to 0. So we will get this. Now replace the value y0 as a given one, initial condition, and x0, y0. Here also x0, y0. Here also x0, y0, and h value we found with the help of the difference of x. Substituted, we can get the answer. Individually I'm finding here f of x naught, I'm finding f of x naught plus h, y naught plus h into f of x naught, y naught. Look at that, it's here. This one I am finding separately with the help of this function. What is our function now? F of x comma y is equivalent to the given differential equation dy by dx. It is 1 minus y. This is my f of x comma y. If you want to find f of x naught comma y naught, I have to put suffix 0 here. Then 1 minus y naught value 0, it will be 1. This value will be 1. In that way we have to find. So this one I am finding separately, this one I am finding separately, then I will add both and then multiply by h by 2, and then finally plus y naught, I can get the answer. That is what I am doing here. I am finding this step, answer this step, and substituting in equation 1, y naught plus h by 2 enter the first f of x and yn, second f of x and yn. The answer will be this. That's it, guys. It's also so simple. The formula only, it's look like lengthiest one, but if you understand, I have given the clue. If you understand in that way, you won't do any mistakes, right? Therefore, y1 equal to this. Next, I have to find y2. How can I find y2? What is the value I have to give for n? This is my Euler's method, improved Euler's method formula. I have to find y2. So what is the value I have to give for n? I have to give n equal to when I can get y2 value n equal to 1. I have to give in all the places, left hand side and right hand side, everything. So that is what we are going to do now. Give n equal to 1 in equation 1. So we will get left hand side y2 and right hand side everything will be y1. So just before only we found y1. This is y1 value, this is x1 value. At x1 equal to 0.1, we found the value of y1. Substitute it again. So find the first f of x comma y value, next f of x and y n value, and then substitute in the equation. We will get the answer. Y of 0.2 is equivalent to 0.18098. That's it, guys. This is the way we have to find. So the solution of y at x1 equivalent to 0.1 is this. The solution of y at x2 equal to 0.2 is this. That's it. I have chosen one more problem for better understanding. Using improved Euler's method, find y at x equal to 0.1, x equal to 0.2. So x naught, what is the initial condition that they have given? X naught equivalent to 0, y naught equivalent to 1. This value is x naught, this value is y naught. Then at x1 equivalent to 0.1, what is the value of y1? That is what they asked. Similarly, at x2 equivalent to 0.2, what is the value of y2? This is what we have to find here. I solved it fully. Initial condition. This is what we have to find y1 first. Second time we have to find y2. Take a improved Euler's formula. This is the formula. Now I have to give n equal to 0 to find y1. I'm substituting n equal to 0 here. So h value is a known one, 0, 0 0.1, 0 0.2. The difference of x will be h. So the h will be 0 0.1. So 0, 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3. It will move like that. That's it. Then find the first value of f of x naught, then second value of f of x naught, the value of x naught plus h, the value of y naught plus h into f of x naught. This is the way you have to understand. Twice of f of x and yn. The second function in the place of x and xn plus h. Yn position yn plus h into f of x and yn. That's all the meaning. That's it. So substitute the values now. Find the first part and the second part. Substitute in the formula. We will get 0.91818. To find y2. So this is the answer for, if you're substituting in equation 2, this is the value for the second function. If you're substituting in the equation 2, y naught plus h by 2 first function value, second function value. If you're substituting that, we have 0.1 value is 1.0959, up to 4 decimal enough, guys. Particularly if they're mentioning up to 5 decimal, 6 decimal, you can find like that, or else in a default way we can fix up to 4 decimal place for this particular one. For the next chapter, that and all, only 1 decimal enough. I will explain why by that time. Well, we are discussing that problem. Right, here up to 4 decimal enough, guys. Right, next I have to find y2. If I want to find y2, give n equal to 1. Proceed in the similar way. Already we discussed a problem. We have to proceed in the similar way. Right, give n equal to 1. Left hand side will be 1, 2. Right hand side everything will be 1, 1. So x1 is this, y1 is this. Substitute the value. Proceed in the similar way. This for the first f x and yn. This is for the second f of x and yn. So substitute both in the final formula. Y2 is equivalent to y1. This is h by 2 first function plus second function. The final answer is 1.841. Up to 4 decimal enough here. Right. That's it. At x1 0.1, this is the value of y1. At x2 equal to 0.2, this is the value of y2. That's it, guys. I hope easily you can understand the concept. I think so. Right. If you like this video, share to your friends and subscribe it. Thank you, guys.